Okay, so now I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to turn in your assignments. So I'm going to be doing that through Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you what you are going to encounter each week.
So what you're going to want to do is download Google Docs, and this will be used at a later time with Google Classroom. So don't worry about that for right now, but just be sure that you have that on your device. So what you're going to do is you're going to download Google Classroom, and you can find this in any app store, be it Apple or Android. After it's downloaded, you're going to click on it. Then you're going to click on My Classroom. After you click on My Classroom, you're going to go to Classwork. And then after you click Classwork, it will show you the assignment that I have assigned to your students. Then you're going to slide up. Once you slide up, it'll show you the turn in screen. Then you're going to click Add Attachment. After you click Add Attachment, you can click on the section that says Take a Photo. This will open up your camera so that way you can take a photo of your art project. Here's something I did for one of our projects. After that's done, you're going to click on the Turn It In button, and it's going to be the black button down at the bottom. After you've done that, it will say that you've submitted it and you are good to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.